Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Prabhavananda and my student number is 121017138.
On this opportunity, I would like to present my final project with the title is Dual Band Microstrip Antenna Design of Mobile Satellite Services for Newsat 8 Satellite. Before that, I would say to thank you very much for my supervisor. The first is Mr. Budi Asfoyo and second is Mr. Dwianto. Okay, this is the outline. First, background, second, system planning, third, simulation and fabrication result, and the last is analysis and conclusion. First of all, as we know, main communication system in Indonesia using cellular communication system, which is the backbone of cellular communication system using BTS, Base Transceiver Station. And Pusteksat 8 will launch a new satellite called NewSat. And this satellite will bring a new technology called MSS, Mobile Satellite Services. So I decided to make a dual-band microstrip antenna design, because as we know, satellite can cover a very large area that allows user to access the system everywhere and every time without having experience to blind spot. And then my antenna specification is the frequency work at S-band area. And there are two frequency work. The first is downlink frequency and the second is uplink frequency. And my antenna, the polarization must be circular. And then the bandwidth of my antenna must more than or equal 100 degree. After that, this is the flow chart. And first, I must know the specification and then antenna parameter calculation, design, simulation, and modification. After that, I do simulation, and after the simulation of the antenna is good and the parameter can be achieved, I do fabrication. And after that, I can take a measurement the hardware of the antenna, and I can data analysis. And here's the picture of my antenna design. My antenna consists of feed line, ground plane, pads. There are two pads, and substrate. There are 3 layers of substrate. And after fabrication, this is the picture of my hardware design. Can we see there are 3 layers, and I use a female connector. It is a SMA female. After that, this is the result of my simulation and measurement hardware. As we know, in the simulation result, the frequency for downlink at 1.9 GHz with return loss minus 15, and for uplink with frequency 2.1 GHz with return loss minus 21. But in the measurement, there are frequency, it is 2.2 GHz with return loss minus 19 dB, and the uplink frequency is 2.0 GHz with return loss is minus 90 dB. After that, the polarization of the antenna is circular. And then for the simulation result and fabrication result, it is the same. It's so that the polarization of my antenna is circular because the value of main lobe magnitude is equal or less than 3 dB. And then this is the value of bandwidth. For my design simulation, the value of bandwidth is 99 degree. But at the end, after I do fabrication, the value of bandwidth is 143 degree. I said that my parameter, there are 3 main parameter. It is frequency, polarization, and bandwidth. And this is the table. Can we see? This is the difference between result of design and fabrication. Okay. On the result of the value of the characteristic parameter of the antenna, which sets a work frequency downlink of 1.9 GHz, return loss value is minus 15 dB, and uplink of 2.0 1 GHz and the return loss value is minus 21 dB, and the polarization is circular and the bandwidth is 99 degree. After that, the result of measurement of the characteristic parameter of the antenna, which has a frequency downlink of 2.0 GHz and the return loss is minus 19 dB. And for uplink, it is 2.2 GHz with the return loss value is minus 90 dB. And the polarization circular and the bandwidth of the antenna is 143 degree. After that, I can conclude that using method of proximity coupling can maximize the value of bandwidth. And then the precision of distance and the air entering each layer affect the measurement result. I think enough for my presentation. For more about my antenna and my design and my fabrication, you can see my fabrication and simulation demo video. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if there are any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.